Now in this example, we'll see how to draw a shape that has curved and straight lines using the pen tool. So in this artwork, we'll use the pen tool to draw this cloud. First, I select the zoom tool and I click and drag across this cloud to get close. Then I press the space bar and I drag to the left like that. Now I select the pen tool from the tools panel and I come over to the properties panel and I click on the fill color. Then I choose none to have no fill color while I'm drawing. Then I click on the stroke icon and I select this black color. Like that, I can see the template more easily. Now I start drawing from the bottom. So I click on this corner to set the first anchor point and I release the mouse. Then I come over along to the left and I press Shift key. Then I click to create a straight line. Now all the remaining segments of this shape are curves. So to create this curved segment, I move the pointer here and I click and drag the direction point until it looks good, so I release the mouse. Now to create the next curve, I need to set the direction handle to control the direction of the curve. So I press Alt key or Option on Mac and I drag up this direction handle like that. I do that because the direction points must be set towards the direction of the curve, otherwise it will give me an S-shaped curve. Now I move the pointer to this point and I click and drag and I slightly rotate to adjust the curve. So I drag until it looks good. Then I release the mouse. I do the same to this direction handle and I move the pointer here and I click and drag. When it looks good, I let go the mouse. You can also control the curve from one of the anchor points. So I click on this anchor point to remove the direction handle. Then I move the pointer here, so I press and drag. And when it looks good, I release the mouse. I do the same to the last curve, so I press Alt key and I click on this point to remove the direction handle. And I move the pointer to this point that was first created, so when the small circle appears, I click and drag to close the path. Then I let go the mouse. Now I come over to the properties panel and I click on the fill color. Then I choose this gray color. I click away to hide this panel. After that, I click on the stroke color and I choose none. So to deselect the shape, I choose select, deselect, and to see all of the content, I choose view, fit artboard in window. The pen tool is one of the most important tools that you will need to use when creating artwork in Illustrator. Do practice as much as you can to master this tool because you will need to.